Welcome. We're exploring a revolutionary approach to tackle one of the world's most pressing issues: local food scarcity. Food scarcity and instability affect communities globally, often due to unpredictable climate, inefficient supply chains, and limited local production. If you find this content valuable, please like, subscribe, and share to support more videos on this crucial topic. Systemic food instability is complex, driven by factors that make consistent, reliable food access a constant struggle for many. Traditional agriculture is hampered by seasonal constraints and long, fragile supply chains, leading to inconsistency and waste. But what if we could eliminate these limitations? Introducing automated vertical farming systems. Vertical farming is an innovative, high-density cultivation method that dramatically increases yield in small, controlled environments. We are transforming barren urban basements into high-yield agricultural hubs, bringing fresh food right to the heart of local communities. The true innovation lies in the integration of artificial intelligence and advanced neural networks. Neural networks synchronize precise nutrient delivery, ensuring that every plant receives exactly what it needs, exactly when it needs it. AI also optimizes LED spectrums, simulating ideal light conditions to maximize photosynthesis and accelerate growth cycles. This technical integration delivers something critical: consistent caloric security for the local population. By operating indoors, we eliminate seasonal constraints and soil dependency, offering unparalleled control over the entire growth environment. We bypass traditional long-distance supply chains, providing localized food production that is reliable and immediate. The future of food is localized, controlled, and intelligent. AI-driven cultivation is proving itself as the ultimate solution to systemic food instability, ensuring fresh food is always within reach. We hope this glimpse into the future of farming inspires you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Contact us today to learn more about how automated vertical farming can transform your community's food system.